What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today is a big day for the wagon. Wagon is going to the shop to get taken care of. So as you can see, this is the current state of it, and hopefully it'll be a whole 180 by the time it gets out the shop. The tow truck guy is coming to pick up the car in just a second. I go into the car to try to start it and the car doesn't even start. So I have to get the jump box to even get the car started. So I'm about to jump the car, move it onto the street, so when he comes it's an easier transition. So the battery on these cars is under the seat in the rear, so yeah, I don't think I'm gonna jump it right there. I'm just jumping from under the hood. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing open. Yeah, so I think the positive one is right there and the negative is somewhere over there, but let's go ahead and get our jump box on it. There's not really a good post, so I'm just gonna use this right here. What? Don't tell me it's dead. Don't tell me it's dead. Oh, okay, I was finna say, bro. Ooh, I was finna say. All right, bet. So I'm gonna see what it do now. All right, fingers crossed this thing gets a start. Uh-oh. Nothing right there. Yeah, this thing won't even start. So the jump box did not work. Tow truck guy is right there. We're gonna use his. If not, we're just gonna push it onto the truck. So just bear with us. All right, his jump box had way more juice than mine did, so I was able to get it. He was able to get it. Shout out to bro. So I'm just gonna pull it up next to his tow truck and we're gonna get this thing underway. All right, tow truck guy has taken the car away. I'm trying to chase him down. Here, man, I want this to be the last time that look at this guy on the bike trying to throw some flames. But anyways, I want this to be the last time that this car is on the tow truck for a long, long time. I ain't gonna lie, my dude is getting it with the tow truck, bro. I can't even catch up to him. Dude, I have no clue where the tow truck guy went, to be honest. I saw him turn out the neighborhood and he just disappeared. So I guess we'll just meet him when I get over there. So I don't know, dude got like a V12 in that thing or something, bro. He's full bolt on in the tow truck, man. He's getting down. Alright, just pulling up now at the place. Yeah, bro, he was moving, bro. There goes the wagon right there, getting loaded off. Yeah, he was getting it, bro. Boom, got the car all parked up here, as you can see. Motorsport Connections are gonna be the people who are gonna be looking at this thing, getting this thing nice and right for your boy. But look at their lot. They got an Alpina out here, B6. Got some nice stuff. Got an E30 over there. Of course, I got the 335 over there looking nice and good. But yes, the place, man. I heard a lot of people say they do really good work, so we're gonna put it to the test, but I'm sure they do. Basically, this is the beginning of this thing finally coming back to life. You know, I did a bunch of work to it, but you know, now it's the real push. 7 Series right here as well, so yeah, they got some stuff out here, man. So all right, wagon. Got the old 335 out here, man, looking nice and clean. Sheesh, man, this car never gets old. Never gets old. Oh, I'm just gonna keep the vlog going. Probably gonna get some a smoothie or something. I don't know. I'm chilling this Sunday, bro. Praise the Lord, and I'm finna just enjoy my little day off today. Had to cop the smoothie, bro. If you know, you know. Juice shop, Winston-Salem. You already know, man. Buried the light, bro. I don't even know what's in it, but I've been getting it for years, bro. So shout out. This is not sponsored, but you know, get at me. Hey, I don't have my mount today, so I can film it for y'all. Over here filming one-handed and shifting gears, but I think I'm gonna end the video right here. This basically wanted to show y'all that I was getting the wagon into the shop and it is in motion. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep y'all updated with that. Plenty of content on the way, some Z content probably this week.